Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and this is going to be a review of the ssouwao Smart USB Charging Station, 60-watt charging station with digital display. It includes 5 standard USB ports, 1 quick charge 3.0 USB port, a Type-C port, and a smart fast wireless charger, all with a nice digital display. So full-featured charging station. We're going to unbox it really quickly, and then we're going to check it out in action and just demonstrate what all it can do, see what we can do with it, okay? So let's just unbox it real quick, just so we can check it out. And boom, oh my goodness, it's way smaller than I thought it was going to be. That's crazy. As powerful as it is and with everything that it can do, I thought it would at least take up that full box, but look how small it is. I mean, it looks like a small little alarm clock. You've got 4 USB ports there, 2 here, a quick charge 3.0 USB port, Type-C port, and then a nice smart wireless charger up on top. On the bottom, nice rubber pad on the bottom so that it'll stay in place and won't slide around on you, which is great. And that's where your power cord is going to plug in back there. So let's see what else is in the box. Got your instructions. I don't know if you need instructions, but in case you do have them there. Has all the specifications, and of course your plug. Pretty decently long plug, it looks like. Okay, so yeah, it's a pretty decent size plug. I'm going to guess that's probably about 4 feet. So nice reach. Anyway, this is what comes in the box. Now let's check this guy out in action and see what it can do. So you can see my phone is fast wireless charging. That's not just standard, that is fast wireless charging. And that's the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. And you can see how it's laying on top of the charging hub there. And you can see in the bottom right hand corner is the readout of the volts and amps being used by the wireless charger. And in the top right, you see the total volts, DC volts by this entire charger, as well as how much power it's outputting in total. So kind of cool that has that digital display to show you exactly what's going on. So right now I've got a lot of stuff going on, and that's what's so great is this tiny little device is so powerful. Right now I'm charging 4 different devices, and I could be charging 5 more, but I only have so many devices to charge at one time. You can see my Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra is getting fast charging. It is plugged into that quick charge 3.0 port. That's that port there. And you can see on the display there that it says quick charge because it senses that there's a quick charge 3.0 device or a quick charge quick charge device, and it'll charge it at its fastest rate. So that's how I'm getting the fast charging on the Galaxy phone. Then I have this power brick. This is it charges through Type-C, and I'm using Type-C to Type-C, so I'm using that bottom Type-C port, and that's going to the charging brick, and you can see it's charging through the Type-C. Then you can see that I have my Galaxy Buds Plus on the top there, and they have a wireless charging case, so that's sitting on the top there getting wirelessly charged. And then this iPhone is plugged into this port, the top port, and you can see the little icon there. If I can get close to that, you can see the charging icon that it's being charged through that port. And I still have 5 other empty ports. And then you see the digital display. Now, not every device reports back what it's pulling, so if it doesn't, then the device won't display, and if it does, then it will. You can see that the total power being output right now is 33 watts. I see that in the top right. So yeah, this little device is charging all these devices at fastest rate possible, basically, and still has 4 ports left that you can use. So very capable device to be able to charge lots of different things in lots of different ways. Very, very, very cool. So just for fun, I plugged all these different devices in there. You can see these AKG headphones are charging. You've got your brick charging. I've got AirPods wireless charging up on top. I've got this iPhone charging. I've got my Samsung phone fast wireless charging, and I've got a tablet charging. All these devices charging all at once with this ssouwao charging station. That's how powerful this thing is, and there's still 3 open ports. I could be charging 3 additional devices besides all the stuff I'm charging right now. So yeah, that's how cool this is. Really, really awesome product. Definitely a product that I would recommend. Of course, this is available on Amazon. I'll have a link in the description below to the product on Amazon. You can click that link, jump over there, read what other people have said about it, and pick one up for yourself. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click that like button. Favorite this playlist. Keep up with future product reviews. And yeah, that's going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.